With almost all humidifiers producing a high noise level, it is tough to imagine a humidifier running silently while efficiently performing its task. However, though there are very few low noise generating humidifiers, yet they do exist. So, finding a quiet humidifier is, though not impossible, quite hard. However, we would make this task of finding out a low noise humidifier pretty simple for you. There are many products available to choose from best quietest humidifier, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best quietest humidifiers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Levoit LV600HH Dual Mist Humidifier. The ultrasonic humidifier can provide both hot and cold mist, and perfect room sizes of up to 250 square feet. It is 25% quicker in attaining humidity levels between 45 to 55%, perfect to keep you protected from the brunt of dry air. The unit is highly customizable. You can set your desired humidity levels while selecting warm or cold mist as per your convenience, or select the auto mode for automatic control of the output. The highly sensitive humidity sensor coupled with an aroma diffuser box and adjustable light features adds to your comfort and convenience. The remote control and timer to set schedule operation further simplified the overall control of the humidifying unit. The 6-liter large tanks can operate at peak efficiency for 20 to 36 hours continuously. Number 2. Levoit Classic 300 Smart Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. The brand claims this cool mist humidifier can last up to 60 hours on one tank set to the lowest mist levels, and it's quiet enough to run throughout the night. It also has an optional built-in nightlight. This machine can connect to an app or work with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for remote and hands-free controls, and offers scheduling options as well as the auto mode to prompt it to adjust mist levels according to your desired humidity levels. The transparent tank can easily be refilled through a large opening at the top. Plus, if you want to use it for aromatherapy, this humidifier also has a tray for essential oils. Number 3. Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. With its compact design and shockingly quiet operation, you might forget you are using a humidifier. That's why the auto shut-off feature comes in handy when the water level is low, or the tank is misaligned in case you actually do forget. The one-button operation makes this humidifier very intuitive to use, and its backlight makes it easy to see in the dark, in case you need to turn on the built-in nightlight or adjust the mist setting. While it may not be the easiest to clean since it has a medium-sized tank opening, this humidifier comes with a cleaning brush to help make maintenance a little less arduous. Number 4. Levoit Ultrasonic Humidifier. The larger 1.5-gallon tank on the Levoit means you can service a larger space, up to 753 square feet, or that it won't have to be refilled quite as often, up to 60 hours on the lowest mist setting. It operates with both ultrasonic warm and cool mist, so you can get the benefits of both. The handy humidity readout means you can easily know the status of the room without an additional meter. You can operate it with the panel's touch controls of the remote, adding a layer of convenience most lack. Even better, it has an automatic mode to choose the mist level without your interference. Number 5. Air Innovations MH701BA Ultrasonic Quiet Humidifier. The sleek design and nozzle extension in this humidifier is perfect for discreet humidifying. It comes in a few shiny colors to match your decor or blend in, like black, platinum, and wine. It claims to humidify rooms up to 600 square feet for 96 hours continuously, and it has 5 different mist settings. The oil diffusing aromatherapy tray is perfect for adding essential oils into the air, along with some extra moisture. Using the built-in HumidiStat, you can easily monitor the humidity levels. Bonus: it comes with a remote control. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.